What's going on, guys? Today I want to tell you about this really cool wireless microphone kit from ZealSound. Now they sent me this over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. As far as what comes in the box, you will get a lanyard. You're going to get a 3.5mm cable in case you want to connect this to something like a camera. You have a USB cable for charging, and it's USB-A to USB-C. You get two of these little wind muffs here to cut down on wind noise. You have your instructions, and then you have the charging case. And of course, inside the charging case, you will find the two microphones as well as the transmitter. Getting a closer look at the charging case here, this is going to house everything that you need. So when you go out, all you have to do is take this. It easily fits in your pocket, or you can throw it in a camera bag or whatever it may be. Now on the front, we have indication LEDs to let you know how charged everything is inside. And then on the back, we just have a simple Type-C for charging. I have a cable ready here, so we can go ahead and charge. And as you can see, the LEDs light up and let you know it is charging. I also like that it's the connections on the back, so you can kind of stand it up. I've had other ones where it's like on the bottom and it's just weird. So it's nice that we have that there. Now, opening up the charging case and seeing everything that we do get inside, we'll take a look at the transmitter first. So the transmitter has two connections, as you can see, which means you can use it for a multitude of different devices. So for all of you Apple people, we have the Lightning connector on this side, but then we have a Type-C. So if you're an iPhone 15 user, you can use the Type-C, or if you are an Android user or other Type-C user, you can use this side. But the great thing about this one is that on this side, we have a 3.5mm jack right here. So the thing that's awesome about that is that you can connect this to like a DSLR or any camera that has the 3.5mm jack. And like I showed you, that does come in the package. So that is really awesome. And then you have a Type-C down here for charging, which is really great too. So if you forget the charging case, you can still charge this, which is really awesome. And then you have buttons and indication LEDs, which I will show you what those do. Now, taking a look at one of the microphones here. So very small. And again, it's clipped. So you can just clip this onto you very easily. Super easy to go ahead and do that. Indication LED right there. And then we do have two buttons here. One's power and then one's the mode. And we'll go over that here in just a little bit as well. Now, as far as getting this like connected to your phone. So I have a new iPhone 15 Pro here. And all we do is we connect this down here, and then these don't turn on automatically. So what you need to do is the big button right here, power that on. And as you can see, it's like looking for the microphone. So you just hit the power button on the microphone and boom, this one turns purple, and the purple means it's in noise cancellation mode. But when you have solid lights, that means you are paired. And then for those wondering about the windscreen, this is incredibly easy to put on. It just snaps on and you are good to go there. Now here I am recording with my iPhone, and the audio is honestly not that bad. I'm inside, there's not any outdoor noises or anything like that. But, you know, as I walk away from the camera, it's just going to get worse and worse. And, you know, if I walk outside, you're not going to be able to hear me. Because when I'm out here, you guys can't hear me at all. Now we're using the ZealSound microphone. And as I walk away, you should be able to hear me no problem. Because, again, I am using a wireless microphone. I can walk outside, and you guys will be able to hear me no problem. There's a bunch of road noise out there. You know, but it shouldn't be that bad because, again, I have this wireless microphone on. I can walk really far away from my iPhone or mobile device. It's super simple and easy to use, easy to set up. So if you're looking for better audio for your iPhone or other mobile device, this is something that I would definitely recommend.